Hello students, welcome to zoology class. This is Akmal Hussain, lecturer biology, Square High School and College. Now I am going to take a biology class of standard 9, chapter cell and tissue of organism. Today's topic is connective tissue. Connective tissue. You know there are 4 types of tissues are there into our body. Number 1 epithelial tissue, number 2 connective tissue, number 3 muscular tissue, and finally number 4 nerve tissue. Today we have to discuss about connective tissue. What is connective tissue? Tissue that support, protects and gives structure to other tissues and organs in the body, which is made up of cells, fibers, etc. is called connective tissue. Types of connective tissue. Number 1 fibrous connective tissue, number 2 skeletal connective tissue, number 3 fluid connective tissue. Fibrous connective tissue. This type of connective tissue lies below the body integument, that means body skin, and sparsely in muscles. In this matrix, different types of fibers are available. This is the picture of fibrous connective tissue. This the fibrous structure which is present just beneath of our skin. Skeletal connective tissue. The internal structural tissue of the body is called skeletal tissue. That means which the tissues which helps to form our skeleton. The skeletal tissue forms the skeletal system or the internal structure of the body, gives the body definite shape and firmness, helps in organ movement and locomotion, protects the soft and sensitive organs of our body like brain, spinal cord, lungs, heart, etc. Produces various type of blood capsules and forms the surface of the attachment of voluntary muscles. Skeletal system mainly divided into two. Number 1 cartilage. Cartilage is a kind of flexible skeletal tissue. We may say that flexible skeletal tissue of our body is cartilage. Its matrix is firm and elastic, and the cells contain lacunae. Cartilage present in nose, pinna, etc. Number B bone. Bone is a hard, fragile and inflexible skeletal connective tissue. That means we may say that bone is hard connective tissue of our body, but the deposition of calcium within the matrix gives its strength. Present in humerus, femur, that means any type of bone. Fluid connective tissue. The matrix of fluid connective tissue is liquid and mobile. Different kinds of organic colloids are soluble in the matrix. Fluid connective tissue formed by blood and lymph. There is a picture of blood cells, that means blood. Now blood. What is blood? Blood is a body fluid in humans and other animals that delivers necessary substances such as nutrients and oxygen to the cells and transport metabolic wastage or metabolic waste products away from the body. or we may see easily that blood is a type of alkaline, slightly saline, red colored liquid connective tissue. Blood mainly divided into two, number 1 plasma and number 2 blood cells or blood corpuscles. Plasma. Plasma is the liquid part of our blood. It is yellowish in color. It contains 91 to 92% water and 8 to 9% organic and inorganic materials. The organic substances include various types of blood proteins and waste materials. Blood cells or blood corpuscles. That means the cell which is present in the cells which is present in blood is called blood cells or blood corpuscles. There are three types of blood corpuscles are there. Number 1 red blood corpuscles or erythrocyte. Red blood corpuscles contains an iron compound called hemoglobin. The red color of blood is due to the presence of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin easily mixes with oxygen to form the oxyhemoglobin compound which carries oxygen to the different part of the body. Number 2 white blood corpuscles or leukocyte. Leukocytes destroy harmful microorganisms and protect the body against disease. Number 3 platelets or thrombocytes. Thrombocytes take part in blood coagulation or blood clotting. It will be discussed briefly. That means the structure of blood or the components of blood we have to discuss briefly in another chapter which is discussed in 6th chapter. Lymph. A yellow colored and slightly alkaline liquid stored within the intercellular space of human body is called lymph. What is intercellular space? The space between two or more cells is called intercellular space. That means the lymph present in intercellular space of our body. This is collected by small duct and form an independent system is called lymphatic system. Lymph contains lymphocyte cells and is called lymphoid cell. Thank you.